Imagine you are cruising down the road and suddenly your vehicle jolts. The check engine light flashes on and you lose almost all throttle response. That is the dreaded limp mode. And if you are driving a Dodge, Jeep, or Chrysler, there is a high chance you are dealing with the P2173 code. This diagnostic trouble code specifically means the powertrain control module has detected high airflow in the Throttle Actuator Control System. Basically, your engine thinks it is taking in way more air than it should be, and to protect the engine and drivetrain from damage, it restricts performance. Now, before you panic and order a brand new throttle body, you need to know that this code is often a secondary issue. The most common mistake mechanics make is replacing the throttle control actuator or the computer immediately, when the real problem is something much cheaper. This code is frequently triggered by vacuum leaks, especially on vehicles like the Dodge Caliber or Jeep Patriot. A vacuum leak confuses the sensors, making the computer think the throttle is malfunctioning. Your very first step should be to look for Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBs. For example, there's a known bulletin, number 18-019-08, for certain 2007 and 2008 models that fixes this exact problem with a simple computer reprogramming. If there are no bulletins for your car, pop the hood and carefully inspect all vacuum hoses and intake gaskets for cracks or hissing sounds. You might also see codes for the manifold absolute pressure sensor alongside this one. If you find other codes, diagnose and fix those first, because the P2173 might just be the computer's reaction to those other faults. Only after you have verified the wiring is perfect, fixed any vacuum leaks, and cleared all other codes should you suspect the throttle actuator itself.